Let's review what we've made so far for the fairy garden greenhouse. Hi, it's Sharon Shorteagle, and it is Fairy Garden Thursday, and we just got back from a lovely bike ride. That's why my hair's all slicked back. I have my bike helmet on, and of course I got a little dewy, a little sweaty, and I thought, well, I'm just gonna brush my hair back. I used to wear it back like this all the time because I would wear it in a messy bun when it was longer. Okay, so like I said, this is Fairy Garden Thursday, and it is hosted by Grandma Sandy, and there are other ladies that post fairy gardens on this channel, and all you have to do is put hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday and you'll get lots and lots of fairy gardens. So let's get on with this. Oh yes, and I'm sorry if the fans are loud and the air conditioning is loud, but I'm still out in our RV and the weather is quite warm and it's late in the afternoon, so this is the warmest time of the day. So I am having the fans blowing and the air conditioning on, and we're cooling off from our bike ride. My box of goodies, my supplies to make it with. That's my paint, because I got to paint my rock. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you, if you follow my videos, you might have seen one of my bike rides where I filmed a snake rock. They're a rock snake. They're building, everybody's supposed to paint a rock and put it in this snake. Well, we rode by it today, and I tell you, I think it's tripled in size, and it's awesome. So when I ride out there to put my rock on there, I will film it, and I will film the snake and let y'all see. Okay, back to the fairy garden. Okay, these are the goodies we've made. This is the stuff we're going to make. And this is the photo of the fairy greenhouse. It's a miniature greenhouse. And it's got some pretty cute stuff. Okay, I am going to set up the stuff that we've made already. And this is the front of the fairy house. And we have a little sink. And we have a little cupboard, and we have some shelves. This stuff all goes inside the greenhouse when it's built. And here's a nice big tall plant. Here's some little plants. Oops. And they're small enough to kind of sit in stuff. Here's another little plant we'll put in on top of the little dresser. Oh, you don't want to stay there. See if that one will. Okay, that one stays there. And this is a little shelving unit. It's fun making all this stuff. Maybe I'll leave that back there and put that there. Okay, we've got a little stool. I should show you better. Little stool. There's another little plant. We'll put it inside the sink too, just so we don't lose it. Okay, now we've got this little shelf, that little plant. We've got these little boxes, and I peeked ahead, and they actually go on this shelving unit. Can you believe they made boxes tiny enough to go on the shelving unit? I just think that's so cute. Okay, here's some more of those boxes. sit on this shelving unit. And we have the little tiny birdhouse. I think I'll set it up here. And we have a little toolbox, or it says Serenity on it. Oh, we'll just set that up there. And I have this table. And on the table there is fresh honey label. So this must sell honey. And there's a newsletter, and then there's local flower shop in the newspaper. And I just love the details that they go into. And this is another little shelf, and on that shelf it says welcome. Okay, we have an Adirondack chair for you to sit and relax in. Let's see, we're getting a pretty good picture. Oh yeah, that's good. And I have a little gate. Not sure where that's going to go, but we'll find out where everything goes. And I think I have a couple more things in here. Oh, 3 things. Oh, and the tap for the sink. But this is actually an outdoor tap. I looked at the plans. And it's a little outdoor tap that goes on the side of the greenhouse. We'll put it on the shelf. This is the step to get up into the greenhouse. This is a little box where you can put things. And here's a little sign that just says garden. There we go. Oop. Okay. Stand up there, please. There we go. An Adirondack chair with the little sign. The little sign is a bunny, and it says garden, and there's Rusty and Buddy. I think they're enjoying the cool air in the trailer. And here's our sink. Can't really see it with the plants in it. There's our little sink. And there's a plant sitting on the stool. There's the little stool. Oh, this little plant does not want to stand up. It needs to be. Oh well, it's a good thing it'll be glued. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Everything is so tiny, 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 tiny. Okay, let's stand up here. Thank you. I'll put you there. There we go. And the bunny sign. Come on. And the bunny sign. Okay. And we have our big tall plant. And this is a little shelf that says welcome, and it has the tap on it for outside. And I think it's very sweet. I'm going to move this back here so we can see the front door. So here's the front door to the greenhouse, and it does open. It's on hinges, and it opens and closes just like that. And this is a little shelf that's going to go on the wall of the greenhouse, and it has little pegs that you can hang stuff from. So that'll be very cute. we have another little plant here. This is a fern. Here we go. This is a step that you put in front of the door. So when you go in the greenhouse, you have a step up to go in the greenhouse. And we have this shelving unit, and it has these little boxes that we made last time. And they fit right in that little tiny shelf. Just pretty sweet. We have this little box you can put plants in or tools or something. It says Serenity on it. It's very sweet. And then we have the dresser. And the dresser is the one with the drawers that open. And we put a plant on top of the dresser in the little birdhouse. And everything is so tiny. And then we have our neat table with the checkered tablecloth. Our nice old wooden table, and it has a box on it that you can put stuff in. So these are the things so far that I've made to go into the greenhouse. It is very time consuming, so it's going to take me a while to get it done. But I will get it done step by step. And I'd like to welcome any new subscribers who have subscribed, and welcome to my channel and our little YouTube family. And I'd like to send a big YouTube hug out to all my regulars who watch every week. Leave me a comment and like my videos. This really means a lot to me. Oh, that plant just doesn't want to stand up. I think the fan's probably blowing it over. There we go. It really means a lot to me that you guys follow me and that I have this many people who are interested in what I'm doing. And I'd like to thank Grandma Sandy one more time for hosting this collaboration. Like I say, we have many people who share their fairy gardens with us. And all you have to do is put hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday, and we will all pop up and you can watch whichever one you choose. Anyhow, this is my fairy garden for today. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next Thursday. And don't forget, my next video will be Sunday, a home reset. Probably the last time I'll do a home reset in our trailer, and we'll be heading into our home in Lethbridge. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thanks again for watching. Bye!